Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Textiles, Pabitra Margarita, highlighted India's robust relationships with neighboring countries during a recent address. He emphasized the importance of trade and people-to-people connections with Bangladesh and described India as Vishwa Bandhu, or friend of the world. Margarita expressed confidence in the mutual respect that underpins India's international relations.
Trade and commerce and people-to-people relation, bilateral collaboration are always there in a very strong way. We are maintaining that, and strength day by day is growing. They are deeply strengthened. So obviously, the relation is always cordial with each and every countries, because we always consider us to be Vishwa Bandhu. So with that motto, we are marching forward. There is nothing. I don't think that any new question should come regarding the relations between our friendly countries. We are Vishwa Bandhu. Our motto is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
In a significant event